Hello, this video is to get you ready for meditation. A lot of people ask me if they're not able to get on the floor, what do they do? How do they practice yoga? I say get yourself a massage table and treat the massage table as the floor, okay? We don't want to practice yoga on the bed because it's kind of cushiony and it makes you drowsy and sleepy. So if you're not able to get on the floor today, think about getting yourself and investing in a massage table. I will have a link down below for you. And for now, we just need a blanket, and maybe you want to just lie down on a couch if you're not able to get on the floor today anyway. So the oil also that I like to recommend is frankincense. Put a couple of drops on your palm and apply to the very top of your head and your throat and over your heart center. Frankincense oil is the oil for meditation, prayer, and brings you a lot of healing. So to start with, go ahead and lie down on your backs. Roll down to one side. Roll down on your backs. And as you stretch out, put your legs on the floor. Take your arms above the head. Maybe just reach those hands towards the ceiling or the wall behind you. And just lie down here with me for a few moments. Roll the shoulders back. Move your feet side to side. Maybe pump your legs a little bit. Maybe wiggle your chest and shoulders. Move your head from side to side. Circle those ankles a couple of times each direction. Take a couple of deep breaths. And as you relax your body, feel your connection to the floor with your body. Let your body become really heavy. And as you relax, remember everything has a preparation phase. When you want to go and cook dinner, you have to kind of do the dishes a little bit first, clean up, tidy up, and get your pots and pans out on the stove and look in the fridge and see what all you have. Chop the vegetables and so on and so forth. And you got to get yourself in the mood, you know. So meditation is the same thing. We don't want to just rush and get to our meditation chair. And so we want to get our bodies relaxed enough to be able to meditate. Meditation is a challenge for so many of us. We really mean well, but then we try our best to ditch our meditation. We keep bringing up excuses. So this short, brief video will help you. Bring your right knee into your chest and circle that ankle. And then go ahead and circle the ankle the opposite direction. Flex and point your foot. Feel your aliveness. Feel your body resting on the floor. Feel your connection to your body. Put that leg on the floor. Bring your other knee in. Circle the ankle. Relax your shoulders and your arms. Just barely hold on to your leg. Flex and point your foot. Good job. Now put that foot flat on the floor and bend your other knee so you have both feet flat on the floor, knees up in the air. Releasing the arms by your sides. Move your knees gently, not fast, not too much. You don't want the knees to go to the floor. Even if you are super flexible, move your knees from side to side. Take a deep breath or two. Maybe you gently close your eyes and let your shoulders relax completely. Inhale, exhale. And then go ahead and wrap your arms around yourself and say these words to yourself. Whisper them mentally or audibly and say, there's absolutely nothing wrong with me. My mind is busy and I have a lot going on. And I'm willing to relax. I'm willing to let go. I'm willing to sit and meditate. I am safe. It's safe for me to meditate. Take a couple of more deep breaths and releasing. And then roll yourself over to one side. Just curl into a ball. Feel the refuge, the peace of this position. Get really comfortable as you can. Take your upper hand and just pat your upper leg a few times. The same way you pat a baby who's about to go to sleep. Breathe in, breathe out. Oh, I'm getting so sleepy, which is a good sign. When you yawn and feel drowsy, that's a sign of relaxation. Maybe after we meditate, we can go take a nap, huh? Now slowly press yourself into a seated position. And then take your hands. You know that one blanket, it's a good idea if you slip it under your bottom. That'll help you get more comfortable so you can comfortably sit with me. Just have a couple of more moments. Just take your fingers and tap. Just rub around your collarbones. And then take your carotid chops and gently rub that part and take a deep breath. Take your hands to the forehead, rubbing the forehead, your temples, just gently, gently massaging, circling your fingers, the pads of your fingers on your temples, your cheeks. Touch gently on your cheekbones, under your nose, your chin, your collarbones again. And then take your hands to your throat and just kind of rub, caress the fingertips on the throat. And then take your arms above the head, inhale, stretch up. Exhale, bring your hands together, bring your thumbs to the forehead and say, I don't have to have an empty mind while I am meditating. It's okay if my mind is busy. That's still very, very powerful. Meditation is not about quieting the mind. It's about focusing on something that really matters. Awareness, attention. And then bring your hands to your heart. Take a deep breath. As you exhale, open the eyes, come back. And now you can go ahead and choose another meditation video or stay put and I will guide you into a very brief meditation. But whatever you choose, remember you're not here to prove yourself worthy of anything or capable. Everything is a practice, okay? Thank you so much for joining me. Check out my offerings on my website and subscribe to the channel and keep on keeping on. It'll take as long as it will take. We have to fight for peace. We have to work hard to have a quiet mind and a peaceful heart and a very comfortable, healthy, strong body. You're doing great. Thank you. Welcome back. If you like to find yourself a very comfortable position to meditate with me, go right ahead and get ready. The video I had before this will get you ready for meditation. So when you are sitting upright, apply your oils. I used the frankincense again today, I keep saying tapping, but just applying a drop to the top of the head, your heart. You can do that every time before meditation, before you actually prepare for meditation. So in a seated position, roll your shoulders back and sit as tall as you can. Place your hands on your laps and or on your feet, whatever that you like to do with your hands. But choose mindfully a position that's comfortable for you. Swallow once or twice. Open your mouth gently. Make sure your jaw is not tense. As you close your eyes, begin to relax your facial muscles. You don't have to have a smile on, no frown. Just neutralize your facial muscles. That's right. Begin to take some deep breaths. Just watch those racing thoughts come and go while you take a few deep breaths with me right now. When you inhale slowly, deeply, for a long time in your belly. And then you'll see your chest and throat expand. And then exhale, release. One more deep, slow, long inhalation. And a very slow, long exhalation. And now, definitely everybody, let's put our hands on our knees. Inhale a long, slow breath again. Exhale, lift the torso a little bit more, move your shoulders back. And as you swallow once more, completely relaxing your face, bring a deep feeling of relaxation throughout your whole body. And now, think about a beautiful place in nature, a magical wonderland, a beautiful place that you consider to be beautiful and peaceful. Visualize it in your mind's eye and begin to smell the scents, the nature, and hear all the sounds also, as if you were really there in person. Maybe you went to the mountains, maybe you went to a beach, maybe you went to a lake, maybe even your own backyard or a park nearby. Envision that beautiful place and you're walking. Feel your feet on earth, the texture, the temperature. And as you do so, begin to bring this deep feeling of peace throughout your body. Allowing yourself to be engaged in all the elements, the sounds, the images. You go find yourself a place to sit or lie down, so you can surrender your weight to gravity and you can look out on all the beautiful images. Feeling so connected to nature, to your own breath, and this feeling of deep peace and deep love. Maybe you can imagine someone you love and trust in that place with you. Go ahead and have a heartfelt conversation with them. Ask a question that has been heavy on your heart. Ask for wisdom, for guidance, for they are a part of who you really are. It's really you. All the insight and the guidance seems to come from them, but it's coming from you. Listen carefully and breathe and relax even more. Feel your whole body permeate with all the sounds, the scents and the images, the energy of all that there is in that beautiful, peaceful, safe place. Your body is so much more relaxed. Maybe you've even received good wisdom today. Feel the body. Label that beautiful place my safe place. I can go there anytime I want, and I can stay as long as I like. I am safe. I am safe and secure, and I am proud of myself for meditating, setting time just for myself. Enjoy your safe place. Breathe and relax even more. Whenever you're ready, you can walk your way back here to your body, wiggling your toes, your nose, your toes, your fingers, grab your feet, circle your upper body, maybe just roll your shoulders back, reach up, look up. Namaste and thank you so much, and I will see you later for the next videos. Take care, my love. Thank you.